I've been in a kind of a toxic environment also, where I've not been treated really well. One of my shows, DOP ने काफी मतलब ऐसे बोलते थे, अरे इसको बताओ मार्क कहाँ है, जैसे हमें लाइट लेनी नहीं आती थी.
You know, Rubina had said this, I remember, that बहुत पैसे काट लिया जाता था and like lakhs of rupees, people have cheated her off.
Touch wood, I've never faced that. I might have not got checks on time.
Very recently, you know, you've spoken about being disrespected during an interview, right?
Yeah.
What actually happened?
I can't understand insecurities. I think वो शायद मैं ऐसी हूँ नहीं, शायद इसलिए मैं समझती नहीं हूँ. किसी के साथ मैं कंपेयर भी अपने आप को नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि मेरा ग्राफ बहुत अलग है, मेरे गोल्स लाइफ में बहुत अलग है. This particular person walked up to me and wanted to clear the air. I appreciate that.
On that day or?
No, another day. On another day.
What did Teju say to you?
Nothing. She had her side of story. Karan also came up to me and he said the way you tackled the whole situation, I mean, kudos to you, and the most classiest way to do it. And I said, okay, fine.
But I heard that you broke down. Is that true?
No, that definitely didn't happen. You called me for the interview. There was a lineup which was shared to my team, which shared to all the artists a day prior, and this is how Amazon MX functions. They are very professional. This is my second outing with them, and I know how they function. So what happened the nth hour is what was I was still trying to understand and gauge. कि ये क्यों? Then I said, okay, if you don't want me for the interviews, I'm fine.
But you still hold her in good regards.
Yeah. Well, no, so then of course we made plans that you should come over to our house and all of that, and we should do a sundowner, which I don't know is going to happen when, but it was nice. हमारे भी ख्वाब हैं, बड़े घर खरीदें, बच्चे होंगे, etc.
To all of you, she's been a fabulous artist, producer, now actually a TV producer as well. But to me, she'll always be a friend. Surbi joins me for a conversation only on Nonsense. This is your first for my channel.
Yeah.
शर्म कर ले.
हाँ तो कहाँ?
शर्म कर ले.
कहाँ मुँह छुपाऊँ बोल?
हाँ, तू ये ऐसे घुस जा, कैमोफ्लेज हो जा.
I swear.
हम लोग बैठ के हमारी तीसरी दोस्त भावना के बारे में बिचिंग कर रहे थे.
हाँ, और फिर हमने उसको फोन भी किया ये दिखाने के लिए हम oh we miss you.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, हमें उसे गाली देनी थी.
But how have you been taking on different roles right now? Guys, it's a little noisy because understand that we are shooting in a place where there's a fountain. Yeah.
And then people have come here to have dinner.
That's fine.
Yeah.
हम लोग भी ऐसे noisy ही है.
यही करते हैं, हम जाते हैं डिनर करने या लंच करने और फिर हमारी आवाजें गूंज रही होती है रेस्टोरेंट पे.
Do you remember that we were told literally, can you guys?
Yeah. So yeah, the question is
that how does it feel like taking on different roles? This is a very, very new role. I understand that you guys have been producing music videos, but from that, this is quite a shift. It's a very taxing role. How does it feel like? Are you feeling pressurized? Are you feeling...
Absolutely. I feel there's a lot of things that are riding on me because everybody wants to see कि क्या कर रही है, क्या बना रही है. Of course, the eventual plan was to get into storytelling.
Production,
Yeah.
And new.
Yeah, and like you know, I kind of feel that bring stories to life. Idea वही था. I don't know वो कैसे आया, and it came with Ekta Kapoor, Balaji, Ekta ma'am. मतलब it's such a huge opportunity, and बहुत stressful रहा है ये कुछ 4-5 महीने. आप basically you're also learning the tricks and trades of the business. Because like I said that I can't give a bad product, Nayan. I have
that
to.
I know.
I have. मैंने कहा ना मैं मतलब मैंने अपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया. So there was यहाँ पे भी I couldn't take that chance कि मैं बस हाँ एक सेट ले लिया है, वहाँ दोनों एक्टर खड़े कर दिए हैं, एक ट्रैक ट्रॉली चल रही है और 30-20 मिनट निकल गए एपिसोड के. This is a tough show. It's on live location. It's on live location.
Also, it involves a lot of like physical activities, like cooking
and
everybody's doing it themselves.
Most of it, but we did have a food stylist.
Yeah. But of course, you need a food
stylist. Yeah, we do
shows.
because the show demands it. But other than that, people have experimented also. They got excited, when you're put in a ऐसा एक जगह पे डाल दिए जो आप कुछ experiment करना है as actors also, हम भी करते टक टक टक, we try to do all of that. So यार बहुत सारे expectations और उम्मीदें भी हैं. मैंने बोल तो दिया था म्यूजिक लेबल खोलते हुए कि यार मैं शोज भी बनाऊंगी, और पहला शो ऐसा भी नहीं हो सकता ना कि मीडियोकर बन जाए.
That's true.
Though we had budget constraints also to plan it wisely, because इस शो में कम से कम 3-4 महीने का प्री प्रोडक्शन गया है. It is barely what 30 episodes, not a very long commitment.
But पूरा shoot हो गया है अभी
कर
continuous?
लिया.
Okay.
कैसे किया मुझे मत पूछना, पर कर लिया. 25-26 दिन में we idea was to knock it off in 25 days, took about 26 days, took +1. But yeah, I kind of feel that it's a medium, it's not, there's no TRP pressure. That one aspect I am quite I've saved myself from right now. मुझे था कि पहला शो है, I'm also testing waters, मैं देखूं मैं कितना कर पा रही हूँ नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So TRP का कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. YouTube के ऑडियंस से पता चल जाता है, आपको ही पता चल जाता होगा कि रियल फीडबैक क्या है. इमीडिएटली आ जाता है. आज जैसे एपिसोड अपलोड हुआ है, नीचे कमेंट्स में पता चल जाएगा कि दमदार एपिसोड था, म्यूजिक कैसा था, सबकी परफॉर्मेंस क्या थी.
But you are involved into everything.
I look after the finances more because I think I'm good with monies. I'm a little कंजूस also.
Help me
हाँ?
with my finances.
Why?
Finances, क्या
किस वे
करूँ?
में? किस वे में? I think you're
Wealth
very
man-
wise. You're a Taurian.
Yeah.
I've seen you in Rise and Fall. I think you're made for reality shows. I'm telling you.
कुछ आता नहीं है but
नहीं, I think you're one of the best contestants. जितना भी मैंने show देखा. And not that because you're a very dear friend of mine. नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है you're playing also very smartly. मतलब you should be a part of shows like Alliance.
What of it? Hopefully, one day.
मैंने बोल ही दिया ऐसे. I'm manifesting for you.
One day.
So in a way, yeah, it was taxing. It was stressful. It was.
But how much did you do परेशान, मतलब कितना परेशान किया करण को? क्योंकि usually तो you're a big परेशानी for it.
हाँ, मैंने किया. क्या ये सुनना है ना? किया. मैं अपने पति को परेशान नहीं करूँ तो किसको करूँगी?
But he is also quite परेशान नहीं होती. Last interview में guys, it's been 2.5-3 years. मैं गलाटा से निकल के I have come and started my own channel. It's been a year. मैडम और सर का अभी तक मिस्ट्री रूम का प्लान बना नहीं.
Oh, we have to go and.
You shut up.
We
I
have
think
to take him go and enjoy and play a game at the mystery rooms in Andheri. This is my promise to you. Now that I'm a
तूने
little.
promise कर दिया था पहले 2-2.5 साल पहले.
लेके जाऊंगी मैं तेरे को. मैं तेरा दिमाग वहीं टेस्ट करूंगी नयन. पता है ना? And I know you're good. जब तू ये रियलिटी शो कर सकता है, मिस्ट्री रूम क्या है तेरे लिए?
But in what ways have you guys like completely divided the work? In what?
He looks after the creative aspect of it. I look after the money bit of it. बहुत ही defined roles हैं एक दूसरे के. मैं उसकी चीजों में 10%, 20% अपना input दे सकती हूँ. वो भी likewise, vice versa. I can give some inputs here. I think तभी एक जोड़ी बनती है और एक successful जोड़ी बनती है. And we draw inspiration from people like Ravi Sargun as a duo. People I've worked with, Gul ma'am, Ishbaz, Ekta ma'am के साथ तो काम ही कर रही हूँ. So you learn from these people. Yeah.
But good that you brought Ravi Sargun, because my next question would have been that I remember that Ravi and Sargun were just starting and they were going to announce that they are coming up with a production house, and I remember they being good friends, they had messaged me that we are doing this and we need your blessings. And I think you were also there at the party. You were there at the launch party. You were not there?
No.
But whatever. Basically, they had messaged me and everything, and I told them that somehow I felt like there will be a different kind of digital revolution that will start. Yeah. Of course, it's a new thing, so people are a lot confused. Yeah. But once it starts, it will become something so good and so big that who knows, other people might like start doing it. Yeah. And believe me, Amir Khan decided to release Tare Zameen Par on YouTube. Yeah. And my first message was to Ravi and Sargun that see what has happened. Yeah. And it is the digital revolution today. And today, the actors are not just actors. You guys have become entrepreneurs, right? How does it, does it become challenging when you're taking up different roles? Because it is not easy. Like even, you will get questioned अगर नहीं चला. अगर रवि सरगुन सबने support किया, but नहीं चला होता, तो then they will say, but आज लोग बोल रहे because तुम्हारा भी चल रहा है, उनका भी चल रहा है. Who knows, many other people will follow suit.
No, but also I feel that as actors, I mean, things are better with web booming and all of that, but I believe it actor comes with a shelf life, and I feel that जरूरी है कि आपका एक side hustle हो. You need to secure your future. आज मेरे पास काम है और नहीं है, and also it's not that काम नहीं है, काम मैं consciously नहीं करना चाहती कुछ particular medium में या whatever, क्योंकि वो मैं experiment कर चुकी हूँ. I am waiting for something big that comes my way. उसके लिए जो wait है, उस बीच अपनी एनर्जीज को चैनलाइज कैसे करें और राइट वे में जो आपको लाइफ में आगे फ्रूटफुल हो. बिकॉज जैसे आप मुझे बोल रहे हो घर का टूर कब करना है, हमारे भी ख्वाब हैं, बड़े घर खरीदें, बच्चे होंगे, एक्सेट्रा. सी जो जो फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ है. So this was the idea. We were very sure that we want to get into production. Experiment, I think they were quite brave, Ravi and Sargun, with the way they experimented. I think they also kind of thought that वो जो पाकिस्तानी shows and dramas काफी चलते हैं YouTube पे, उनका model वही था. Is what if I have to, totally. And it's very interesting. वहाँ का model बहुत अलग तरीके से चलता है. They're more brand backed. Lux is probably kind of branding होती है, whatever. Ravi Sargun solely did it without the brand, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, without the brand.
But with Balaji, again, the show that we are doing is brand backed.
Yeah, even Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahuti has like a brand slate. It's great because I think Ekta has been a TV Zarina.
Yeah.
And I just feel like she is such a powerhouse because she's stayed relevant because she's changed with the time.
Yeah.
It's so crazy.
Totally. And if she's somebody who would say what is right is right, what is wrong is wrong, is what I know of our show. She's seen some clips and I feel that she's liked it. She keeps promoting it. So it's a win for us also. It was a tough show. It was challenging. It was 30 episodes. You have to complete in 25 days. It's impossible. मतलब एक एपिसोड से भी ज्यादा आपको पर डे निकालना है.
1.2 episodes
easily. So but ठीक है, if you don't take chances right now and we are not thrown into a pit just straight away, how will we? Now I know that with that budget constraint, if I have to make a good show, how will I achieve it?
That's true. You've learned it. Abhishek is somebody who has, like you, Karan, Abhishek, these are people, Shiny, these are people who are complete outsiders, okay? And I feel happy. Honestly speaking, if you ask me, I feel so happy. Seeing you guys thrive. What made you think of Abhishek and Shiny for this?
Shiny, we've done a music video with. She was kind enough. When we called her, we said, listen, don't expect anything. All we can do is give you good quality music, make you look beautiful. She said, "Arey yaar," and I've watched, glimpses of her in Saraswati Chandra. And I thought that she and Jennifer, even if she was the second lead, were at par.
Yeah.
I think Shiny looked so beautiful.
Yeah.
And I've been a fangirl. And the moment I met her for Farzi, the music video, she said, of course I'll do it, this, that. So, and we knew that when we're going to venture into making shows or producing shows, we'll ask her if she's willing to do something like that. So she said YouTube. She was a little skeptical, but then she understood it's our vision, and together with Balaji, I think she's Balaji's talent also. Yeah. We told her this is what the storyline is. We shared the concept note, and she was quite kicked about it. So Shiny was family anyway. She was a past artist with us. Abhishek is a Punjabi munda, pura hamari tarah. He's a Virgo, like me and Karan, and वो बहुत वो जैसा दिखता है वो बहुत स्मार्ट लड़का है. बहुत स्मार्ट है वो. He knows, and he's a good guy. He's a very.
I have misjudged him, but I feel like he's a very good.
No, and also feel that he's very blunt. He cannot. I don't think वो छुपाता है. कोई फसाड नहीं है. जो है. अगर बोलेगा कि मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा तो बोलेगा. ये नहीं अंदर ही अंदर मन में चलती रहेगी. कैसा क्यों ये वो. हम लोग कभी कभार थोड़े से डिप्लोमेटिक हो जाते हैं ना. उसमें वो नहीं है. डिप्लोमेसी I don't think is his trait. So we told him this is the kahani. ऐसा है. And also if you notice, if you go back watching the show, उसके career graph में उसने कभी ऐसा कुछ play नहीं किया. Shades of Grey. There is this, intimidating vibe to the character Arjun Thakur, and he's playing it with ease, which is a good thing. And he's enjoying it. And by the end of it, he was so attached to the character. तो I think अच्छा है. तो ये दोनों, और मुझे ये भी था कि दोनों अच्छे भी लगेंगे साथ में, and they're looking good.
But as a producer, because you've been on the other side, right? You've been an artist. You must have faced numerous challenges, right?
Yeah.
What are the things that you try to ensure कि ये मैंने face किया और ये यहाँ मेरे set पे कोई face ना करे?
एक दो चीजें तो ऑफ कोर्स वर्किंग पैटर्न एंड आवर्स होता है. मैंने कोशिश की थी कि इस शो में जो एक नॉर्मल मैंडेट है 12-13 घंटे का काम करने का, वील ट्राई टू स्टिक टू दैट. 2 days इज व्हेन वी एक्सटेंडेड द शिफ्ट, नॉट बियॉन्ड. उसके अलावा तो हमने कभी किया ही नहीं. We wanted a calmer set. I've been in a kind of a toxic environment also, where I've not been treated really well. One of my shows, DOP ने काफी मतलब ऐसे बोलते थे, अरे इसको बताओ मार्क कहाँ है, जैसे हमें लाइट लेनी नहीं आती थी. तो मैं नहीं चाहती थी ऐसा environment हो. It was a very calm set. You never.
But did it
came.
break your heart back then?
Yes, it did. It did. I would dread going on set. So I spoke about this in one of the interviews also, but
Did it happen in the early stages of your career?
yeah, and I remember कि मैंने, so you know आपकी यूनिट होती है, डबल यूनिट होती है या स्प्लिट यूनिट होती है, तो मैं प्रे करती थी वो DOP ना मेरी यूनिट में ना हो, बिकॉज आप फियर करते हो ना कि वो आपको फिर ऐसे 10 लोगों के सामने ऐसे बोल देगा. पहले ही आप एक्टिंग सीख ही रहे हो सेट पे, आप कोई ऐसे वेटरन तो हो नहीं, तो वो चैलेंज भी है. फिर उसके बाद आपको ऐसे दिखाया जाता है कि आपको लाइट लेनी नहीं आ रही. ऑफ कोर्स हम रॉ हैं, पर एक इंसान को सिखाने का तरीका है. तो वो सारी चीजें हमारे सेट पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुई है. किसी को भी ऐसे बदतमीजों की तरह इल्ट्रीट नहीं किया गया है. काफी चीजें भी बदल रही है नयन. थिंग्स आर क्वाइट, आपको सुन के लेता भी नहीं है. आप सीधे, आप जानते हो, तड़ाकेदार जवाब दे देती है पब्लिक. सो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट वैसा था. वी ऑल्सो वांटेड अ very creative forum, like we wanted that we discuss internally, ye acha nahi hai, oh I want to do it this way, I want to play it that way. We kept it very open for discussions. It's not that हमने थोप दिया आपको ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा, वो सब हमने नहीं किया. Because I think तभी एक environment healthy होता है, एक set, it was a healthy environment is what I can say.
But what are the unhealthy things that you have faced?
One of this is that see, I can't pinpoint rejections because that will come and go.
Rubina had said this, I remember, that बहुत पैसे काट लिया जाता था, and like lakhs of rupees, people have cheated her of.
Touch wood, I've never faced that. I might have not got checks on time, but it's not that I've never got the money. I have got money. I've never got any money that was cut. वक्त लगा पर पैसा आया, ऐसा नहीं है. तो मैं I've been fortunate that way. Yes, environment where मैंने सेट्स पे गालियां भी सुनी है, नॉट खुद के लिए, बट पता क्या होता है कि फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है किसी को भी, लेकिन वो निकलता आप पे है, राइट? क्योंकि एक डायरेक्टर को भी प्रोडक्शन से बहुत वो है, जैसे 22 मिनट निकालना है, पर डे का फुटेज है, कल एपिसोड जाना है, रेडी नहीं है एपिसोड, पेनल्टी लग जाएगी. प्रोड्यूसर अपने बैटल्स फाइट कर रहा होता है, डायरेक्टर को डिलीवर करना है. तो ऐसे ऐसे अनहेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट्स रहे हैं. वर्किंग आवर्स जो घंटों का कोई अता पता नहीं है. कुछ ऐसी शिफ्ट्स लगी हैं जो आपने सुनी नहीं होंगी. आप 9 से 9 जानते हो, 7 से 7 जानते हो, 2 से 2 जानते हो. सो वियर्ड शिफ्ट्स ऑल्सो भी हमने ऐसे काम किए. बट ठीक है, देखो एक पॉइंट पे आप एडजस्ट कर लोगे. फिर से जब आप शो सेट कर रहे होते हो ना, तो इनिशियली ना थोड़ा टाइम लगता है फॉर अ शो टू सेट. सब एक पकड़ ही रहे होते हैं अपना कैरेक्टर. स्टार्टिंग के कुछ 5-6 दिन क्रूशल होते हैं, 1 हफ्ता ले लो. उसके बाद तो आप थोड़ा ना घिसाओगे एक्टर को या किसी टेक्नीशियन को. आप समझो नयन, आफ्टर 12-13 hours of shooting, the last people to leave the set is the light team.
Yeah.
And in
And
breaks,
they're the most underpaid.
And in breaks, they are constantly lighting for the next scene, advance scene. So ये struggles तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री के हैं. एंड उसके ऊपर अगर आप किसी का हक का पैसा काटते हो, फिर तो God is watching.
But Surbhi, like you said that आजकल कोई सुन के नहीं लेता.
नहीं
right?
लेते हैं.
But you've also been in situations like you said where you've been disrespected and you didn't speak up for yourself.
Never.
But that was early on in your career. Very recently, you've spoken about being disrespected during an interview, right? What actually happened? Like, what is it that, and did you react? Did you not react? I have heard something, but I would like to ask you.
The episode that happened?
Yeah.
all I can say is then that this industry is quite small. Today I bump into you, tomorrow I'm going to bump into you again, probably. It's to make an environment that's healthy and for the industry to grow. I feel we should look out for each other. We're supposed to hype each other up कि तू अच्छा कर रही है, तू अच्छी कर रही है. I'm so happy for you, dude. You know, and I can't understand insecurities. I think वो शायद मैं ऐसी हूँ नहीं, शायद इसलिए मैं समझती नहीं हूँ. किसी के साथ मैं कंपेयर भी अपने आप को नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मेरा ग्राफ बहुत अलग है, मेरे गोल्स लाइफ में बहुत अलग है. अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ है या होता है तो बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है एंड वेरी अनकॉल्ड फॉर. यू नो, मेरा एक रिलेशनशिप है मीडिया के साथ आज से नहीं, काफी सालों से. इट वाज वेरी 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 काइंड दैट द मीडिया रीच्ड आउट टू मी, but I refuse to comment. And this is what my fans also always complain, that I don't say. I didn't have anything to say. क्या बोलती मैं? तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो हुआ हो गया, उसके ऊपर मैं क्या कमेंट करूं. But what I like and I'd like to appreciate is that this particular person walked up to me and wanted to clear the air. I appreciate that.
On that day or
No, another day. On another day.
what did Teju say to you?
Nothing. She had her side of story, and I've known her long enough. Like I said, known her way before she maybe even came onto the show, Big Boss or whatever. We used to follow each other. We still follow each other. मतलब तब से जानती हूँ उसको. इशबाज के कोई अवार्ड फंक्शन में मैं और वो साथ में एंटर, हमने पार्टी किया. I have her number. All of that.
Both of you are good.
Yeah. So she had her side of story and I gave it a good ear and I said, okay, fine, whatever. Karan also came up to me and he said, the way you tackle the whole situation, I mean, kudos to you, and the most classiest way to do it. And I said, okay, fine.
But I heard that you broke down. Is that true?
No, that definitely didn't happen. No, that didn't happen. Of course, a certain section of media thought that probably I was weeping or something. No, it didn't happen. It's so amazing that you all reached out to me. It's very sweet of you. Didn't happen. No. Yes, but it was. I was kind of lost for a moment. I said, you called me for the interview. There was a lineup which was shared to my team, which was shared to all the artists a day prior. And this is how Amazon MX functions. They are very professional. This is my second outing with them and I know how they function. So what happened the nth hour is I was still trying to understand and gauge. So I was like lost and I said, okay. Then I said, okay, if you don't want me for the interviews, I'm fine. I was okay. You wanted to get a side of me through, there was a different character altogether. Anyway, all that happened and we move on from such
But you
situation.
didn't do any interviews that day.
I did one. That is out. And then this whole situation happened and I went up to my room, changed and left for the day.
But if I may ask,
Yeah.
when she came up to you the next day, I think it's at the Hunar launch party, if I'm not mistaken, because everybody saw you guys together. What was her side that she shared? Because if people would know, then people would also like put an end to. It's a good conclusion that both of you have resolved it.
She said, no, it's a misunderstanding, Surbhi. It's not that I'm not this person. And I said, yeah, I know you. I know it shouldn't, I don't think it is, what has happened is not deliberate. So I just received it and I kept it to myself. Okay, fine. She says some sort of misunderstanding happened. So I said, okay.
But you still hold her in good regards.
Yeah. Well, no, so then of course, we made plans that you should come over to our house and all of that. And we should do a sundowner, which I don't know is going to happen when, but it was nice. I've known Karan because Karan and I were hosting something. If I remember, we're doing Hunarbaaz ki kuch hosting kar rahe the. He's a nice guy. He's a nice chap. So yeah, Tejas we have known. And I wish them well, yeah. They're doing so well for themselves. And I feel that these are, I mean, if there's agar slight thought के कोई insecurity भी है, then I said मेरा तेरा कोई comparison ही नहीं है दोस्त. तू reality star है भाई. ये star है अपने में and मैं अपने graph पे हूँ या अपनी life में एक goal पे हूँ जो मैं achieve करना चाहती हूँ, तो तेरा मेरा कोई मेल ही नहीं है. तू अपनी जिंदगी में खुश रह, मैं अपनी जिंदगी में खुश रहती हूँ.
What is your goal, if I may ask?
This is my goal. I want to, me and Karan want to ultimately produce a lot of shows. I want to, as an actor, I want to be a part of platforms that I've had a wish list. I want to be on this platform, I want to be on that platform. So I'm working towards that. So ये सब छोटी मोटी चीजें आएंगी और जाएंगी नयन. ये मुझे हिलाती होती तो पता नहीं मैं कब की हिली होती.
So I have known you both for years now,
Yeah.
okay? And you are calling people family. You are like family. I can call you up for anything. We talk shit all the time, guys. We talk shit. Before this interview, we've spoken shit. So
I've casted so many of my friends on this show.
I know. You have cast your Ishqbaz.
It was a mini Ishbaz.
Yeah,
Yeah,
reunion.
reunion.
Why didn't you cast? You know, a lot of people keep sending me messages that they want to see you and Nakul together. That's which is what I have convinced you. Now I just need to convince Nakul before anybody else does it. Bhavna, sorry, beating you to that. But why didn't you? Did you think of him? Did you bring it up to
No,
him?
this is not that show, right? Maybe in the near future, but not right now. अभी तो हमारे लिए भी बहुत ही ऐसा शो है जिसमें मुझे पता था ये फिट बैठेगा 70-80% कास्टिंग इज माइन बैक्ड बाय करण कि हाँ ये सही जा रही है सो ये शो वैसा है भी नहीं.
So how does it feel going back to the entire like majority of the Ishqbaz cast?
बहुत अच्छा ना, and you have no idea. I don't know how to behave in front of them as an actor or a producer. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज वो था. तो जब सब थे तो मुझे चंदू बुला रहे हैं, मैं कह रही हूँ मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ इस शो पे, सो यू नो रिस्पेक्ट. बट नो यार देयर फैमिली. मैंने काफी अपने थिएटर के एक्टर्स को कास्ट किया इस शो में. सो गुड यार, ये इंडस्ट्री में आप या लाइफ में आप अच्छा करने आए हो, गुडनेस स्प्रेड करो बस.
But another role that you wonderfully play is of a Masi. I have seen you hold itna sa at the music video launch, right? And now he's grown, I'm pretty sure. Now Masi's boy.
I wait for his videos.
Really? Great.
Wait. I will show you the recent photo of him.
But are you the naughty Masi always teasing the person? Or you're the nice one?
I'm the one who...
Spoiling.
Not really. I'm strict also. Look at him.
Oh, so cute.
With these dumpers.
Yeah.
Yeah, cute dumpers Mama is bought, and then they FaceTime each other, and he's happy because he's got dumpers. And he's waiting. Mama comes back, and the group, my family group, has all of Idan's pictures, videos. See, chilling like a villain. वो कौन सा chilling like a villain
yeah.
only.
My God, I've seen him like
Chotu na. Yeah, and he has lovely eyes. Touch wood. These are, oh God, like मुझे ना, I can't, like 2 दिन होते नहीं है, I start missing him. I'm so crazy.
But you are still
आस-पास पता है मुझे, but मैं shooting करूँ कि मैं उसको मिलने जाऊँ.
But इसी से मेरा एक सवाल है, call me the मोहल्ले वाली neighbor or whatever, I don't care.
हम बच्चे कब कर रहे हैं?
चल तूने पूछ ही लिया खुद ही, तो मैं मामा कब बन रहा हूँ? चलो, I am asking in a better way.
करने यार, we want children. I'm pregnant.
ऐसे मत बोल, ये मैं प्रोमो में भी नहीं डालूंगा. Just because you are my sister, I will never put it in the promo.
नहीं यार, hopefully soon. We want to. But एक बार थोड़ा सा हमें clarity मिल जाए ना कि where Feel Good Studios is, I mean, किस direction में वो lead कर रहा है. I think थोड़ी stability आ जाए.
But each to their own, yeah. Take your time. You also must have different dreams, like you said, different goals.
हाँ, इसलिए we are not jumping onto it. Like we're waiting because मुझे भी acting भी करनी है. ये Feel Good Studios को एक ठहराव भी लाना है, stability लानी है. तो अभी है वक्त, but होगा. Plan तो है. I hope.
But hopefully this year there will be more projects coming up.
Acting front, yes, there is something that I'm working on. I had it on my wish list. I'm working.
बता मुझे नहीं पता.
बंद तो करना पड़ेगा ना, बताऊं कैसे ऐसे.
Okay, that.
हाँ, so that is that, and we'll produce for sure.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That also, that production also. But should we just stay the same, man? Like I want to be 80. We both should be 80 and sitting.
अभी नहीं बदले तो यार नयन,
अब तो और कुछ
अब
नहीं.
तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना.
That's-
वो बदलना होता तो बहुत पहले बदल चुके होते दोस्त.
I feel like we should be 80 and having a conversation.
See, ना, the conversation is more like chatting
Yeah.
rather than I'm answering your interview वाले questions.
Interview किया ही नहीं ना
यही
मैंने.
नहीं,
The
तो बातें कर रहे हैं, ये
conversation.
कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं.
हमारी तीसरी जो पार्टनर है पता नहीं किधर है.
आए messages उसके.
मैं मैसेज तो आया है वॉशरूम से. इतने टाइम में तो निकल ही गई
मतलब
होगी.
कौन सा, या तो पेट खराब है.
अब पेट 2 हफ्ते से खराब है.
अच्छा?
यही तो. यही तो.
ओहो.
But thank you so much and lots of love. You know that I will stand and cheer for both of you the loudest
Yeah,
in
yeah,
a room.
I know that.
Because you guys mean like you guys are family to me, and thank you for giving me a family in a city like Mumbai where I can go and, like you said, that I can rant without the fear of being judged, shamed, or even like anything.
Never questioning it.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you for everything, then. I feel that, of course, I've made a lot of friends from media, but I don't consider you that. Na? I consider you like, अरे नयन यार, तूने ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, so ऐसा वाला है कि then you'll rant and then I'll give you this. कि why are you attracting this kind of energy? But yeah, our mystery room plan plus
Haan.
मच्छी.
Mom is here. You tell me whenever. She'll make better machi than
हाँ,
me.
तो घर आना पड़ेगा.
Come.
Where's Papa?
Dad is in Calcutta. We all went for a trip to Jim Corbett. They both went there. Mom is here for some time, and then in June she'll go.